It's a fast-moving world out there, and to get noticed, you have to be focused. At Epicor, our focus has always been our customers, who make, deliver, and sell the things everyone needs. We've been building relationships with them for almost 50 years. So we've asked ourselves a question: what do our customers really need from us? Right now and into the future. They need to know that we understand their business so deeply that we can anticipate their every need and deliver a solution that's perfectly fit to them. This is what already makes Epicor unique. But it's time to transform the way we communicate it. So we're reflecting our deep expertise through the way we go to market, making it easier for customers to find exactly what they need. We're revealing our close affinity with our customers by putting them center stage, speaking to their needs, and supporting their ambitions. We're showing how smart, flexible, and responsive our solutions are by bringing them to life in our new visual identity. And we're connecting better with more customers by taking what we already do so well and amplifying it with new confidence and focus. Our brand refresh is an evolution, but it feels like a revolution. And right now, with everything aligned under one powerfully unified brand, we're ready to accelerate our customers' ambitions, ready to build a world of better business. Welcome to Epicor.